Hey YouTube, this is my annual Sunday walk out here in beautiful Arizona. This is just my way to end off my weekend, make sure I get the week off to a good start. And it's just chill. It's probably about 1.5 miles total. I'll go around and then come back. But just getting that one with nature, the breeze, the wind, it's the best. I'm coming up on some wild horses. Probably can't see them, the trees blocking, but as soon as I get past, I gotta show them to you guys. But it's getting warmer out here. I'm in northern Arizona. I'm still in the high desert, but it's weird. It'll be warm like in the 70s and it'll go back to the 30s, then 40s, then 50s. So it's pretty up and down. But I don't care how warm it is, how cold it is. I'm gonna get out here, get my walk in. Not only do I get exercise, but I get a peace of mind. Wind's blowing, it's pretty. Doesn't get any better. So I'm coming up on these horses. Let's see, I'm probably trying to zoom in for you guys. Alright. Let's see. This thing I love about out here is they're wild horses. Alright. There we go. There's that one with like the spotted Dalmatian print. I love it. But yeah, guys, this is the Sunday regimen. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna finish up this stroll. That one horse is peeping me out. He's like, going for a walk. Yes, I am. So I'll catch you guys later.